In today's video, I will walk you through how to reprint paychecks in QuickBooks Online. To begin, tap the link in the description to create your free account. Start by going to the search bar at the top of the screen. Click the search bar and select Advanced Transaction Search from the drop-down menu. This opens the Advanced Transaction Search panel. In the search panel, change the transaction type to check. This filters the results to transactions categorized as checks. You can also use the available filters to narrow the results, including date ranges, payee names, or amounts. Once you've narrowed down the results, locate the paycheck you want to reprint and click on it. This opens the detailed view for that paycheck. Review the information shown, including the date, amount, and any notes associated with the transaction. At the bottom of the detailed view, locate the Print Check button. Click Print Check to begin reprinting the paycheck. Make sure your printer is connected and configured correctly. When the printing preferences appear, review the available settings and confirm them before continuing. Once the settings are confirmed, proceed with printing the paycheck. The printed copy will then be available for your records. To repeat the process for another paycheck, return to the search bar and select Advanced Transaction Search again. Set the transaction type to check. Use the available filters to locate the correct paycheck and select the transaction. Open the detailed view, click Print Check, review the printing preferences, and proceed with printing. That's all you need to do to reprint a paycheck in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.